Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Make a determination that you will live your purpose today. We may not have hit the peak yet, but we are on the journey up. The good life is a process, not a state of being. It is a direction, not a destination. Recognize what you have inside you. An attitude of positive expectation is the mark of the superior personality. The power of creating a better future is contained in the present moment. You create a good future by creating a good present. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. It is almost always possible to be honest and positive. Don't focus on negative things. Focus on the positive and you will flourish. Inspiration comes from within yourself. One has to be positive. When you are positive, good things happen. Keep a smile on your face. Keep a spring in your step. You cannot have a positive life and a negative mind. A positive atmosphere nurtures a positive attitude, which is required to take positive action. The things you are waiting and hoping for tend to arrive at the most unexpected moments. A friend may be waiting behind a stranger's face. Only in the darkness can you see the stars. Be so happy that when other people look at you, they become happy too. A truly happy person is one who can enjoy the scenery while on a detour. We all have two lives. The second one starts when we realize we only have one. When the sun is shining, I can do anything. No mountain is too high, no trouble too difficult to overcome. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a good day.